Can you retire with $1 million at 55? Let's have a look at the maths. I'm going to give you access to this free calculator as well. So you've got $1 million. You are expecting to keep it invested. Let's say you're getting even as much as 7%, but the portfolio is a 15% volatility, which is pretty standard. Okay, you're not going to be contributing anymore because you're retired and you want to retire at 55. You expect to live to 90. I'm going to let you change those numbers yourselves on the tool in a second. Well, the safe withdrawal rate becomes 3.81%. But that's not what the issue is. As your annual withdrawal, this is the success probability. In other words, that you'd have the probability you'd have enough money by the time you reach 90. It's excellent. Monthly income, that's going to be the issue for most people. Will that be enough for them? And I've not even included inflation in this. So if you want to play around with these numbers, and more importantly, you want to see what all of this means. What does the safe withdrawal mean? How do we come to that conclusion that that's what would happen? What are the assumptions? What's the recommendations of what you should and shouldn't do? Then you can have a look at the site. And the tool's completely free. I highly recommend it, whatever age you are, because a lot of people are worried about retirement and the low level of growth they've got in their pensions and whether they'd have enough. They're paying a fortune to IFAs and fund managers who we want to make redundant because we want you to do it yourself. And we want to give you these tools for free so that you can. The link, well, it's there, alpeshpatel.com/links. Totally free tools on investing properly. Thank you very much.